Nicky was
You wouldn't have
driving.
seen him driving home from London.
Oh, you don't have a sports car. Dalat! Stop it. Why? What rush is he in?
Well, I made a call.
We really need to have.
I don't have it. Why can't you hit it?
I can do a bueno latte.
That'll be good. Okay, I'll go for it. Why not? Oh, it's cold.
Doesn't say it was really.
That's ridiculous, yeah.
It doesn't say ice on the.
Well, actually, it's delicious.
Let me try.
Cool. I'm moving my lines about. I could better arrange it. Having some breakfast. You just put your elbow right into it. Teddy. You've got your
I think Dad need a kiss.
I'm just lazy. Every Monday I shave, that's all. You shaved last night?
No. Yes, Dad. Let's just see a space right there. Space there.
We're going for really fun, Colin.
Yes, Dad. Come here.
Thank you.
With updates from Rugby Park this
When you messaged me, it sounded like you were going to order it anyway. Without it.
Well, you never know.
I said we were going to FPT, you could have said, can I come?
Just showing you guys what we bought from Costco. This one is my favorite one. Tingnan mo yung mga ginawa nila, guys. Kasi nga, alam nila maghuhol ako. So, pinagkakalat-kalat nila yung mga pinamili namin para pahirapan ako. Napakaano ng mga ano ko, no? Ang sarap dakulin ng mga ulo. Ano yung dakulin man? Nindot kayo daklon ba? Mga ulo ba? Kung pwede lang jud daklon. Ayaw talaga nila ako mag-vlog. So, ito ako ngayon. Para akong tangang habol ng mga items. Para lang mapapakita ko sa inyo, guys, kung anong pinamili namin doon sa Costco. So, this is it. Ako na lang nag-adjust dahil nga, oh, Diyos ko, Lord. Wala pa dito yung iba, guys. Kinuha nila, pinag-aakyat na nila sa taas. Yung iba kasi mga personal things na nila. Yung bumili yung anak ko ng t-shirt. Yung asawa ko naman may mga jacket. For work lang naman. It turned out really, really nice day today. Scorching hot. And you're probably thinking, oh my God, you're in the car again. Yes, I'm always on the go. Actually, guys, just went to Costco early on. And I was supposed to do a Costco haul, but you know, I cannot vlog when the family around. And I know my son and my daughter, obviously, like, to stop doing me, what I want to do is, yung mga anak kong mga atribida na ayaw nila akong mag-vlog. So, ang ginawa nila, bilis nilang nag-empty sa carbo. Tapos, pinagkakalat-kalat nila yung mga pinamili namin sa Costco. Yung iba, nilagay nila sa garage, which doon naman talaga papunta sa garage anyway. That's what happened today. Ang ginawa ko, ginidyohan ko na lang lahat ng napamili namin pakalat-kalat kasi nga, my plan is supposed to be just accumulate everything in the living room so I can do a whole vlog. What can I say? Anyway, I'm out. So, I'm here to pick up another grocery, you know, errands. What happened? It's really, really warm today. It's a miracle. Just back home guys, I changed kasi nga grabe ang init. Anyway, someone came to our door and this is from my husband client. So, i-unbox ko na lang pang dagdag sa length ng ating vlog. So, she gave us a box of chocolate and 2 bottle of wine. Ayan yung bigay ng akin siya. At least kahit pa paano meron ako decent na walang nanggugulo sa akin. Yung anak kong lalaki na sa taas, si-set up siya ng bago niyang laptop. Bumili siya kasi ng bagong laptop today. So, busy siya nagkakalikot. Yung anak kong babae, lumabas. So, yung asawa ko naman nasa office. He's trying to finish the invoice for me to do the work as well. Ito palang bag guys, kasama to sa binigay ng client. Sabi ko, gusto mo, iuwi mo yung bag kasi maganda yung quality ng bag. Sabi niya, no, you can keep it. Sabi ko, really? Why not? You know, it's actually nice size as well. You can take it to the beach. This bag, you know, babalik ko lang galing sa shop. Tumaba talaga ako siguro, no? Sumikip to. I love this dress. Another thing that why I love this dress. Kapag mainit kasi guys, I don't really like wearing bra. So, ito yung damit na to, hindi kailangan ng bra kasi parang mayroon na rin siyang built-in bra. Anything na mayroong built-in bra, I'll grab it. Lalo na yung top na stripe na nakikita nyo lagi, yung Uniqlo top. Parang easy lang kasi siya isuot guys. Hindi ka na kailangan mag-think about what bra you're wearing. Especially on a hot weather. Naglaba na rin ako kasi mainit nga eh. Pinagsamantala ko yung panahon ba na why not laba-laba. Ilagay ko na to dito sa dito. Ay, meron pa pala guys. This one. Salamat naman. Binabaliktad ko yung iba kasi for some reason, pag ginanyan ko, hindi siya magkasya. Yan. Mostly dito guys, mga bigay lang to ng mga clients ng asawa ko. Lagay natin dito. Ang ganda ng box. Gusto ko lang din i-vlog to uli guys, itong kape ba, galing to ng Bali. Dinalhan ako ng anak kong babae. Sabi niya, ma'am, I have something for you. Sobrang sarap. Kaso lang guys, ang kunti ng laman niya. I think I need to go to Bali to buy coffee.